Hello everyone! By the way, I just got new parcel today and this one is a gift from Andrea. Oh my god. The shoes are flooding this month. I got a lot of shoes from this month. I think April is my lucky month. Oh, actually February is my lucky month. March, April. Yeah, I think this is my lucky year rather. And by the way, I would like to say thank you so much for Andrea for giving me the shoes. And yeah, it's so nice. A lot of them. I don't know how to use this one. I think my sisters can use this one. Yes, I will let them borrow this one, but I'm not going to give this one because I don't want Andrea to get disappointed because I give this to my sister. I just let them borrow this one. And for the moment of truth, let's open. Actually, I already opened this one, and all of this are it really fits me well, by the way, and all are so nice. So this one, the shoes are, we called it, or they called it rather, is spadrel shoes style. So this one, it's more like clothes. It's more like clothes and it's kind of braided, but this is nice. So the moment of truth, I think I become addicted to the smell of a new shoes. It smells so good. Smell of a new, smell of a success. Thank you so much. And let me put it on. Let me put it on. Oh, I think this one is durable. I think they really suit this one. Handed. So you can see the details of the shoes. So nice. I like it. It's so nice though. I thought it's gonna be more like a soft cloth, but not. See, it's kind of a little hard cloth but soft in inside. So the moment of truth, let me try to put them on. Thank you so much again, Andrea, for spoiling me. Actually, Andrea already sent me lots of pair of shoes, and yeah, thank you so much. The shoes are so nice, and you spoil me lots of shoes, guys. Thank you so much for supporting Luciana, and I am so thankful that you are part of my channel. Yes, thank you so much. Ha? Kapag mo eh. Okay.
Buy more.
Nice, Granny. Nice, Chris.
Có không có?
Hả?
Có không có? Ở đây vô luôn. Có bin lên.
Isa ka natot. Isa patot.
Ano go?
Ha?
Go.
Tao sa mga daw.
So look, everyone.
Pong ka niyo sa'yo.
See, it's so nice. Wow, it's so nice, everyone. I like it. Thank you so much, Andrea. Actually, Andrea chose this one for me. Thank you so much, Andrea. Say thank you so much, Andrea, in the comment section, everyone, if you think Andrea's gift is so nice. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and give me a positive comment in the comment section. Okay, yay, to see it. It's so nice. It's really nice. Promise. I promise. It's so nice. Yay, there you go. Let me walk it on. See, I think I can use this going uphill, or for beach. Yeah, I think it's more, the design is for more beach. Thank you so much. Yay, another successful shoes. Thank you so much, everyone.
Yung pakwan yun. Yung pakwan yun.
Ah?
Pakwan.
Ha?
Yung pakwan.
Yan. It's pakwan din. Nagbayad pakwan. But I have to put this one inside. Then I'll show you the, okay, it's gonna stay there where you can see the shoes there. And this is the second one. Yeah, wow. I haven't opened it yet. Actually, my son opened this one the moment he received the parcel. He's the one who opened it. And this one, I think I prefer this one since it's very comfy and it's easy to use. You just have to go to put your feet on, and then yeah, you have to stretch the garter. Yeah, yeah, it is. You have to pull this thing up, and then voila, it's done. No need to tie for everything. I think I prefer this one rather than this one. But everything, every gift that I receive is, I am very thankful for that. Thank you so much, Andrea, for spoiling Inday a lot of shoes. There you go. These are so nice. So let me walk it on. Wow, it's really comfy, everyone. Yes, let me know in the comment section which one is better, the other one or this one. Give a positive comment in the comment section, everyone. Okay, let me know. It's so nice. I love them. I am thinking I'm going to use that one. And let me have the third one. Actually, it's Padrel. This kind of rose gold combination with naked strap and garter, and this one is kind of leather. And yeah, it's more like braided. And this one, let's see. Oh, this one is a gold one. Hey, wow! It also has a strap, a garter strap at the back, but with the twist, it has a bow. Wow, it's so nice. Thank you so much, Andrea. But I forgot to smell. Another smell of success. Yes, thank you so much. Yay. Smells so good. Now I look like a rich in this shoe since it's gold. It makes me feel that I have a lot of money, or I have a lot of everything that I want in this world, because this is a gold one. But it's nice also. Yay! Comment, everyone, in the comment section. Let me know which one is nice. This one, or the gold rich one. Okay, give me a positive comment in the comment section, everyone. But first, let me walk. Yay! I think I can use this one inside the mall, since it's kind of a little handy and comfy to walk, and it's very comfortable for me to walk. Yeah, it's just like I'm wearing slipper of this. It's kind of a little comfy. I like this one also. Thank you so much, Andrea. Wow, I feel like I'm a celebrity. Lots of shoes. And the last one, the moment of truth. Let me know. Wow. Okay, got it. It's a lace. It's a lace shoes. Yes, Padrel. I've noticed that among the shoes that I have received today, only this one has a cloth sole. See, only this one has a cloth sole. And then, and then, okay, let me put it on. Wait, we have to smell first. It really smells like fabric. Even the strap. Let me put it on, everyone, so you can see all of this beautiful shoes that I got from Andrea. Oh, I think I need to. Oh, I think I have choose the two shoes that I want, that I love to, I mean, comfortable for me to use though. Yeah, this one, it needs to get the strap, and then yeah, something like that. And I hope you really like this video. And please give a positive comment in the comment section, everyone, if you think this video is so nice. And if you think that I need to upload more like this. Yes, because I still have a lot of shoes that I haven't shown you, everyone. I think I've shown everything, but I have not discussed the full details of the shoes and how it feels like, how it smells like, whatsoever. So, the moment of truth, this is the shoes. Oh, it's very comfy inside. It's kind of, there is something that's a little rough inside of my sole. And yeah, it really molds. And if you're going to use this one and your feet is gets wet, and then yeah, it will mark those shoes, the feet rather. Yay, it's so nice, everyone. I am so happy. Oh my god, I'm going to use all of the shoes, everyone. And I hope you like this video. Yeah, there you go. Oh, I forgot to show you my furry indoor sleeper. Thank you so much. It's also a gift, by the way. Thank you so much, everyone, and I hope you like this video that I made today. And I already discussed the details of the shoes. And look at my pimples, everyone. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It's scattered everywhere. And I hope I have discussed every details of the shoes. And yeah, and I hope you like this video. And if you think this video is nice, give me a positive comment in the comment section, and give also a thumbs up. And if you want to be part of my member, please join my membership. You have to go over to my YouTube channel, a profile YouTube channel, and then you have to find a member, join member. There you go. You can choose the specific amount you're going to be part of that channel. And thank you so much, Andrea. I have lots of shoes now. And let me know in the comment section which one is the best for me to use for the next custom. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching Indulgent, and I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Goodbye.